Welcome to Star Chat, the cosmic corner of the internet, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the latest developments in space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me on this journey through the stars. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. And today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting endeavors in space travel: Blue Origin's mission to Mars. Yes, you heard that right. Mars. The red planet has long been a fascination for humans, and now, private companies like Blue Origin are taking the lead in exploring our celestial neighbor. Imagine two small spacecraft, aptly named Escapade, embarking on a journey to study the Martian magnetosphere. This mission is not just about expanding our knowledge of the universe, it's also about pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. The Escapade mission was initially slated to launch on Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket last October, but due to unforeseen circumstances, it had to be postponed. Now, sources close to the matter suggest that the launch is likely to take place in mid to late September or even November. This may seem like a long wait, but trust me, folks, the payoff will be worth it. The Escapade mission will provide us with invaluable insights into the Martian environment, and who knows, maybe one day we'll set foot on the red planet ourselves. But that's not all. Blue Origin has an impressive lineup of missions planned for the near future. From launching Amazon's Project Kuiper satellites to sending a reusable lander, Blue Moon Makone, to the lunar surface, the company is on a roll. And let's not forget the Cube for the Future mission, which aims to inspire the next generation of space enthusiasts. As we delve deeper into the world of space exploration, it's clear that the competition between private companies like Blue Origin and SpaceX is heating up. With NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon by 2024, the stakes are high. But one thing's for sure, the future of space travel has never looked brighter. So, buckle up, space fans, as we embark on this thrilling journey through the cosmos. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and time, we find ourselves at the forefront of human innovation and exploration. Today, we're going to talk about a remarkable mission that brought the future back to Earth. Quite literally. The SpaceX Dragon capsule has returned from its deep space mission, carrying with it 6,700 pounds of cutting-edge robots and futuristic gear from the International Space Station. Imagine a spacecraft traveling through the void, collecting valuable data and testing new technologies that will shape the course of human spaceflight. This is precisely what the MIS-20 project achieved by exposing various materials to the harsh conditions of space, influencing the design of future spacecraft. The Astra B React robotic system, also on board, demonstrated its capabilities in autonomous navigation and manipulation, paving the way for more advanced robotic assistance in space. As we delve into the world of space exploration, we're reminded that the boundaries between science fiction and reality are becoming increasingly blurred. The technology being developed and tested today will be the cornerstone of tomorrow's missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our innate desire to push the frontiers of knowledge and understanding. But space exploration is not just about technological advancements. It's also about the people who make it happen. The astronauts and cosmonauts on board the International Space Station are living examples of human adaptability and resilience as they work together to conduct groundbreaking research in microgravity. The ISS itself is a shining example of international cooperation, with nations from around the world coming together to achieve a common goal. As we look to the future, it's clear that space exploration will play an increasingly important role in shaping our global community. With NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon by 2025 and eventually send them to Mars, the stakes are high, but the potential rewards are even greater. The knowledge and expertise gained from these missions will have far-reaching implications for our daily lives, from improving our understanding of the Earth's climate to developing new technologies that can benefit humanity as a whole. In other news, NASA is gearing up to provide live coverage of the launch and docking of the Roscosmos Progress 92 cargo spacecraft, which will deliver approximately 3 tons of food, fuel, and supplies to the Expedition 73 crew aboard the International Space Station. This mission highlights the importance of logistics and supply chain management in space exploration, as well as the critical role that international cooperation plays in ensuring the success of these endeavors. As we pause to reflect on the wonders of space exploration, we're reminded of our responsibility to care for the planet that gives us life. The Earth, our home in the vast expanse of the universe, is a fragile and beautiful world that deserves our protection and stewardship. As we reach for the stars, let us not forget the importance of preserving our planet for future generations. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos for today, I'd like to take you on a fascinating tour of some of the most intriguing discoveries from our planet and beyond. From the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of our solar system, science never ceases to amaze us with its revelations about the intricate web of life and the universe. Let's dive into the mysterious world beneath the waves, where researchers have made a remarkable discovery about whales. Despite their large eyes, it turns out that these majestic creatures are incredibly short-sighted. This finding, achieved through the study of an eye's structure and computer simulations of what a whale might see underwater, could lead to innovative technologies that help protect them from human threats, such as getting entangled in fishing nets. It's a poignant reminder of how understanding the natural world can inform our efforts to preserve it. But the wonders don't stop there. In a surprising turn of events, a planetarium show led to the chance discovery of a spiral structure in the Oort cloud, a region of icy material surrounding our solar system. This finding was made possible by the use of real data for visualizations in the encounters in the Milky Way show at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. The Oort cloud, previously thought to be flat or spherical, has had its features inferred from observations of comets, but never directly observed until now. This freak accident of a discovery opens new avenues for understanding our solar system's structure and evolution. As we move towards the future of space exploration, companies like Astrobotic are pushing the boundaries with their shoebox-sized rover, Kuiper Rover 1, which is set to fly to the lunar South Pole. After successfully passing a series of tests that simulated space-like conditions and interactions with other instruments, this tiny but mighty rover is ready for its mission on the Griffin 1 launch later this year. It's an exciting time for space exploration, as we continue to push beyond our current limits. Back on Earth, efforts are underway to restore biodiversity in our oceans. Scientists are working to replant an underwater forest of brown algae around the Greek island Gyros. This seaweed is crucial for marine biodiversity, but has been affected by climate change. By collecting cuttings from thriving areas, cultivating them in labs, and then transferring them to the reef, these ecologists hope to bring back not just the algae, but also the other plants and animals that depend on it. It's a beacon of hope in our fight against the impacts of climate change. As we look up at the night sky, remember that there are galaxies out there with stories to tell. The Sculptor Galaxy, captured in breathtaking detail by the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, is a testament to the complexity and beauty of the universe. With thousands of colors representing stars, gas, dust, and other galactic components, this image offers astronomers a detailed map to explore the galaxy's inner workings, age, motion, and composition. And finally, let's marvel at the magic of biofluorescence in fish, where they absorb and re-emit light as brilliant glowing colors. Recent studies have shown that this phenomenon has evolved independently over 100 times in the past 112 million years, involving a greater variety of colors than previously thought. It's a dazzling display of nature's creativity and adaptability. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.